AI is reshaping jobs faster than ever. Are you at risk of losing yours or about to benefit from new opportunities? The future of work depends on what we do now. Experts warn that artificial intelligence will automate up to 30% of jobs by 2030, especially in manufacturing, customer service, and transportation. Companies like Amazon and Tesla are already deploying AI-driven robots and software that replace routine tasks. However, this disruption is uneven, hitting lower-skill roles hardest while creating demand for tech-savvy workers. On the flip side, businesses adopting AI technologies report productivity gains of up to 40%. For instance, IBM and Microsoft integrate AI to streamline workflows, reduce errors, and enhance decision-making. This surge in efficiency can drive economic growth and may create new job categories centered on managing AI systems. AI tends to target jobs that involve repetitive and predictable tasks. Roles in retail checkout, data entry, and basic customer support are increasingly automated. Workers in these sectors face urgent reskilling needs. Meanwhile, AI creates new jobs in software development, data analysis, and AI ethics, calling for a workforce shift toward technology skills. To survive and thrive, workers must embrace reskilling. Governments and companies like Google and Coursera offer training programs focused on AI literacy, coding, and digital skills. Lifelong learning will be essential as AI continues evolving. Those who adapt early can capitalize on new roles AI creates, while others risk long-term unemployment. AI's impact is double-edged. While it threatens certain jobs, it also enables innovation and economic growth. Companies and policymakers must balance automation benefits with social protections. Ethical AI deployment, fair labor transitions, and investment in human capital will determine whether AI is a job killer or a job creator. AI's rapid advance means you need to act now. Whether you're at risk of automation or poised to gain new tech skills, understanding AI's impact can protect your career. Stay informed, reskill continuously, and adapt to the AI-driven future. Subscribe for daily updates on what AI means for your job and how to thrive.